Here's a 2015 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, front heated bucket seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, leather steering wheel, power heated mirrors, voice activation, aluminum wheels, Wi-Fi hotspot, and V6 engine. Smart capabilities, strong performance. GMC. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.